Hey percussion friends, Casey Cangelosi here, just letting you know that from January 14th, which is my son's birthday, going to January 26th, which is my birthday, we're donating all of our sales from the website. That's my store, not any of my retailers, but just my store. We're donating everything to our local SPCA, that's Society for the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals. So 100% of your purchase will go straight to them. We're not keeping any of our overhead, as in our printing costs. We're not even keeping the shipping costs. We're just going to give it all to SPCA. So our SPCA accepts all strays and owner-surrendered pets free of charge. They facilitate medical treatment, adoptions, as well as foster home placement. They accept physical supplies as well as monetary donations, and they even provide internships. So this is a great little birthday present to my son, as well as myself. My son's favorite thing in the world of all of his toys and games and things he's ever been given is just our cat. And our cat, Lou Cat, came to us as an abandoned cat. She showed up at our doorstep one day, and she had clearly been abandoned, and it just makes sense to me that if she's his favorite thing in the world, then this is what we should do, and this is always something I've really believed in. And I just want to say thanks so much to all of you who've supported us over the years and given money to this small self-publishing business. It's really cool that we're able to do this now, and it's because of all your support over the years for these compositions and little method books I've made that makes this possible. So I look really forward to sharing how much we get in these 12 days, and I'll report that online and yeah, see how we do. So okay, thanks everybody. Happy New Year.